The meat is often mixed with herbs, onions, and mushrooms, and then baked until the crust is golden brown. A serving of pigeon pie contains around 400 to 500 calories, depending on the size of the portion and the recipe used. When it comes to calculating the calories in pigeon meat, it is important to consider both the meat itself and any additional ingredients used in the dish. Pigeon meat is a good source of protein, iron, and vitamin B12, but it is also high in fat and calories, particularly if it is cooked with butter or oil. When enjoying pigeon meat as part of a balanced diet, it is important to practice portion control and balance it with healthy sides and accompaniments. In conclusion, pigeon meat is a flavorful and versatile ingredient that can be prepared in a variety of ways. Whether roasted, grilled, or in a stew, pigeon meat adds a rich flavor and tender texture to any dish. By pairing pigeon meat with healthy sides and accompaniments, and by practicing portion control, one can enjoy this delicious ingredient in a healthy and satisfying way. By pairing pigeon meat with healthy sides and accompaniments, and by practicing portion control, one can enjoy this delicious ingredient in a healthy and satisfying way. Grilled pigeon is a popular dish in many Mediterranean and Middle Eastern countries. The pigeon is marinated in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and spices before being grilled over an open flame until it is cooked through. Here are some more details about grilled pigeon. Preparation. The first step in making grilled pigeon is to marinate the pigeon in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and spices. The spices can vary depending on the recipe, but commonly include cumin, paprika, garlic, and coriander. The pigeon is then left to marinate for several hours or overnight, allowing the flavors to infuse into the meat. Cooking. Grilled pigeon is typically cooked over an open flame or charcoal grill. The pigeon is placed on the grill and cooked for several minutes on each side, until the skin is crispy and the meat is cooked through. The cooking time can vary depending on the size of the pigeon and the heat of the grill. Serving. Grilled pigeon is often served as a main course, accompanied by a side salad or vegetables. It can also be served as an appetizer or part of a mezze platter, along with other grilled meats and dips. Calories. A typical serving of grilled pigeon contains around 130 to 160 calories, depending on the portion size and any additional ingredients that are used. Calories. A typical serving of grilled pigeon contains around 130 to 160 calories. Depending on the portion size and any additional ingredients that are used. Variations. While the basic preparation of grilled pigeon involves marinating the meat in a mixture of olive oil and spices, there are many variations of the dish that incorporate different flavors and ingredients. Some recipes use yogurt or tahini in the marinade, while others add herbs such as mint or parsley to the dish. Grilled pigeon is a delicious and healthy way to enjoy this gamey meat. It is high in protein, iron, and vitamin B12, making it a nutritious addition to any diet. When serving grilled pigeon, it is a good idea to pair it with healthy sides, such as roasted vegetables or a light salad, to balance out the calorie content of the dish.